Good day everyone, I'm Danji Deskarman. Today, I want to talk about something that affects almost of us, the proper use of social media. Proper use of social media. Every day, we scroll through Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. But the question is, are we using them responsibly? Social media has a huge impact on our lives. It helps us communicate, learn new things, and express ourselves. However, just like other tools, it can be good or bad, depending on how we use it. First, let's use social media as a source of information and education. Instead of sharing fake news or gossip, we should post things that inspire, inform, and help others. Second, avoid cyberbullying and spreading hate. Remember, every comment or post we make can affect someone's feelings. Let's choose to be kind and respectful online. Third, we must manage our screen time. Spending too much scrolling can affect our studies, work, and even our mental health. Use social media wisely and set limits. Fourth, always protect your privacy. Don't share too much personal information because it might put you at a risk. Let's also remember that social media should bring people together, not divide them. It's a space where we can share ideas, talent that make a difference. When we use when we use it, purpose and positivity, we create a happier online community for everyone. And in conclusion, social media is a powerful tool, but it is up to us how we use it. Let's use it to spread positivity, awareness, and kindness. Remember, what you post reflects who you are. Be a responsible digital citizen and make the online world a better place. That's all for my presentation about the proper use of social media. And I hope you learned something valuable and we all become more responsible and mindful when using it. Thank you for listening and have a great day everyone. Thank you.